What if, in the next 10 years, you find yourself replaced by an AI robot at your job? This is a question that has been circling around in our minds, especially with the rapid evolution of artificial intelligence and robotics. Today we find ourselves in an era where these technologies are no longer confined to the realms of science fiction, but instead have become an integral part of our daily lives. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI and robotics have shown us a glimpse of a future where tasks are automated and efficiency is maximized. But while these advancements are impressive, they also raise a fundamental question. Can these AI robots truly replace humans? This is not just about replicating human tasks, it's about whether these machines can emulate the human soul, the ability to feel and to have consciousness. And if they ever do, what implications would that hold for humanity? But can these AI robots truly replace humans? Artificial intelligence and robotics are no longer concepts of the future. They are here, and they're transforming our world in ways we could only dream of a few decades ago. Let's take a moment to appreciate how far we've come. AI, for instance, has evolved from a science fiction concept into a practical tool used in a variety of industries. From healthcare, where AI algorithms assist in diagnosing diseases, to finance, where they predict market trends with uncanny accuracy. Even in our daily lives, AI has made a home. It's in our smartphones recommending the next song on our playlist or the fastest route to our destination. It's in our homes, powering our virtual assistants that set reminders, control our appliances, and even tell us jokes. On the other hand, robotics, a field that was once limited to factory automation, has now made its way into our homes and offices. Robots are not only assembling our cars, but they're also vacuuming our floors, mowing our lawns, and even assisting in complex surgeries. But it doesn't stop there. AI and robotics are working hand in hand to create machines that can learn and adapt. Autonomous vehicles are a prime example of this synergy. These self-driving cars use AI to perceive their environment, make decisions, and learn from their experiences, all while a robotic system physically controls the vehicle. And let's not forget about the promising field of social robotics. These are robots designed to interact with humans in a socially engaging manner. They're being used in education, healthcare, and even as companions for the elderly. The impact of AI and robotics on our lives is undeniable. They're changing the way we live, work, and even interact with the world around us. But here's the thing. Despite all these advancements, we're still in the early stages of this revolution. The potential of AI and robotics is vast and largely untapped. The machines of today may seem intelligent and capable, but they're just a glimpse of what's to come. While these advancements are impressive, they're just the tip of the iceberg. AI and robotics hold potential that stretches far beyond our current imagination. As we delve into this vast expanse of possibility, let's consider how these technologies could revolutionize the world around us. Consider industries such as healthcare, where robots can perform intricate surgeries with precision that surpasses human capability. In agriculture, drones powered by AI could monitor crop health, optimize irrigation, and even harvest crops, leading to a significant increase in yield and efficiency. In our homes, AI and robotics can create a seamless living experience. Imagine a personal assistant that understands your preferences, schedules your day, and even prepares your meals. This isn't just a futuristic dream, it's a reality that's just around the corner. Now let's take a leap and consider artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Unlike narrow AI, which is designed to perform a specific task, AGI has the cognitive abilities of a human being. It can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks. It can solve problems it was never explicitly programmed to solve. The implications of AGI are immense and exhilarating. It could accelerate scientific discovery, solve complex global issues, and unlock mysteries of the universe that have baffled humanity for ages. But with this potential comes a host of ethical and philosophical questions. If AGI can think and learn like a human, could it also develop consciousness? Could it experience emotions or cultivate a sense of self? This is a contentious debate that has divided the scientific community. Some argue that consciousness is a byproduct of complex computation, suggesting that AGI could indeed develop a soul. Others contend that consciousness is uniquely human, rooted in our biological makeup and lived experiences. The question then becomes, can these machines develop a soul or emotions? As we stand on the precipice of this new era, we're not just exploring the potential of AI and robotics, we're also probing the depths of what it means to be human. And that's a journey as exciting as it is uncertain. Imagine a world where robots not only think but feel emotions just like us. It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But with the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, it's a future we need to consider. As we stand on the precipice of this new frontier, the question arises, could artificial general intelligence or AGI ever truly feel emotions? The answer is complex. Emotions in humans are a product of our biology shaped by evolution and our interactions with the world. To replicate this in a machine, we'd need to create an AI with the same level of complexity and adaptability. This is a monumental task, but not entirely impossible. With the right combination of machine learning algorithms, computational power, and data, we could potentially endow an AGI with a rudimentary form of emotions. However, it's important to note that these would not be human emotions, but something unique to the AGI. Now, let's think about the implications of an emotional AI. On one hand, it could lead to more empathetic machines, enhancing our interactions with technology. On the other hand, it raises profound ethical considerations. If an AGI can feel, does it have rights? How do we ensure it's treated ethically? These are questions we must grapple with as we move forward. Moreover, the introduction of emotional AI could significantly impact our society. It could change our relationship with technology, altering how we work, communicate, and even how we perceive ourselves. We may also have to redefine what it means to be human in a world where we are no longer the only sentient beings. But let's not forget, AI is a tool, created by us for us. As we navigate this new frontier, we have the power to shape the future of AI in a way that benefits humanity. We have the opportunity to create a world where AI and humans coexist, learning from each other and working together towards a common goal. The integration of AI into our lives raises a whole host of questions about what it means to be human. As we journey into this uncharted territory, let's embrace the challenge and the opportunities it presents. So, can AI and robotics replace humans in the next decade? We've taken a deep dive into this question, exploring the current state of AI, its potential, and the implications of AGI developing emotions. Let's take a moment to revisit these key points. We started with the present situation of AI and robotics. We discovered that these technologies are already pervasive in our society, from self-driving cars to voice assistants. However, they're mainly focused on specific tasks. The concept of artificial general intelligence, where AI can perform any intellectual task that a human can, remains a vision for the future. Next, we moved on to the potential that AI and robotics hold for the future. There's no denying the transformative power of these technologies. They could revolutionize industries, automate mundane tasks, and even help solve complex problems. But with this potential comes significant challenges such as job displacement and ethical concerns. Which brings us to the most intriguing part of our discussion. Could AGI develop emotions? Could robots have a soul? The notion of machines experiencing emotions is fascinating, albeit controversial. If AGI could mimic human emotions, it would blur the line between human and machine. It's a possibility that raises profound questions about what it means to be human. The impact of such a development on humanity is enormous and multifaceted. It could redefine our understanding of consciousness, identity, and even morality. It might also force us to reconsider our relationship with technology. So, to answer our initial question, it's unlikely that AI and robotics will replace humans in the next decade. However, they will continue to evolve and influence our lives in profound ways. The journey of AI and robotics is just beginning, and it promises to be a fascinating ride. The future of AI is a fascinating one, full of possibilities and challenges. Subscribe to the channel for more thought-provoking videos like this and turn on all notifications to stay updated in the domain of AI.